In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out from Google Drive. Whether you're using a shared computer or simply need to switch accounts for security reasons, logging out of your Google Drive is a straightforward process that you can master in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll need to navigate to the Google Drive homepage. If you're already logged in, you can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL drive.google.com. This will take you directly to the homepage of your Google Drive account, where you can see all your folders and files neatly organized. Once you've landed on the homepage, the next step involves locating your profile, which is situated at the top right corner of the screen. This is where your Google account thumbnail or profile picture is displayed. Clicking on this thumbnail will open a drop-down menu presenting you with various options related to your Google account, such as managing your account settings, and importantly, the sign out option. Now in the drop-down menu, you'll notice there's an option labeled sign out of all accounts. This is crucial, especially if you're like many users who have multiple Google accounts open simultaneously. Clicking this option ensures that you're securely logged out of all your Google accounts, not just Google Drive. Keep in mind that when you click this option, it will log you out of every Google service you're currently using across all tabs in your browser, so be prepared to re-enter your information if you need access to other Google services afterward. This simple process helps secure your information, especially on shared or public computers, by ensuring that no one else can accidentally or intentionally access your files. It's also a handy habit when you're using a computer that isn't your own, perhaps at a library or a friend's house. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can quickly sign out of Google Drive, safeguarding your personal information with just a few clicks. If you have any further questions or encounter any issues, feel free to check Google's support site for additional help. Now you can rest easy knowing your Google account remains as secure as possible while you're on the go or sharing devices. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more helpful tips and tricks on using Google Drive and other digital tools.